My name is Mahesh. I'm a civil engineer and I'm here to give answer to any of your questions in civil engineering field.
My first question is, what area of the civil engineering field do you currently work for?
Currently, I'm working in the transportation engineering department. Basically, we are designing highways to local street, um, bridges, water structures, water related infrastructures, sanitaries, storm sewers, and parking lots.
My next question is, how long did it take for you to become a civil engineer?
After high school graduation, it takes 4 years of college education and you earn your bachelor's degree. Once you get the bachelor's degree, you have to take a fundamentals of engineering to get your PE license. Once you get your fundamentals of engineering examination passed, you need 4 years of experience, and then you take a professional engineering test, and then you will become a professional engineer. So basically, it's 4 years of college and 4 years of experience that put you as a professional engineer.
After becoming a professional engineer, how long have you been in the field of civil engineering?
After becoming a professional engineer, I'm working in civil engineering field since from 2002. That means almost about 12 years.
Can you explain to me how civil engineering affects the world?
Well, civil engineering, the name itself says civil means it's related with the civil life. That means it's everyday life. You name it like transportations, going from one place to another place, living in the structure, in the house, in the building, utilizing water or discharging some sewage and other things. So all those fields are related with the civil engineering. You have to go from one place to another place. That means you are driving on the roadway, or you are taking transportation like a railroad, or if you go far place, you take a plane, or for the another goods like container shipments and other things, you take a help of boats and ferries and other things. So civil engineering is completely related with your regular everyday life.
Okay. What inspired you to become a civil engineer?
Well, when I was young, there was a construction going around our area, and I was always curious about that one. Uh, it's very interesting to see things changing from its original shape to a different shape. And since from the beginning I was good in math and I love science, so that puts me in the civil engineering field.
What do you think is the next big thing in civil engineering?
The next big thing in the civil engineering field is going to be uh, improving or making roadways or transportation infrastructure to adapt new technology like electrical car or maybe driverless car.
Okay. Can you describe your everyday life as a civil engineer?
Civil engineer basically in a two different way. If you're working in the design field, you generally go in the office and you have projects, so you begin your work with the designing. You work on the computer, which is generally nowadays very sophisticated. You use AutoCAD, AutoLand, land development, civil design engineering shoot. There are a couple of survey software, and it's like a teamwork. So basically, your day begin with working on the computer, then designing the roadways if you have to work on the roadway, or if you are working on some infrastructure like a water tank or parking lot, you are designing those facilities, and you have to do calculations, follow the rules and regulations and ordinance, and generate the drawings and coordinate with clients, and put all those documents in a one piece so that it goes out for the bid and contract begins, and within a couple of months or certain time frame, construction begin and project fulfill.
Do you have any advice for people aspiring to become civil engineers?
Well, the advice is you should be good in problem solving, first of all, because civil engineering is not like a stereotype work. Everyday projects is different from one project to another project. So it needs really good problem solving strategies, and you need a good interest in it.
All right. Thank you for your interview, Mr. Mahesh.
You're welcome.